If you're looking for a straightforward way to monitor workload distribution in teamwork.com, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through the key features of teamwork that help you keep your team's tasks and projects well balanced. Stick around till the end to learn how to get an extended free trial with our exclusive bonuses. When you start working with Teamwork, you're looking at a powerful platform that can make a huge difference in how you monitor workload distribution. One of the first things you'll notice is the ability to track and assign tasks easily, but what really sets Teamwork apart is the way it gives you visibility into how work is being distributed across your entire team. This is critical for ensuring no one is overwhelmed while others might not be fully utilized. In Teamwork, you can assign tasks to specific team members and set deadlines, but it doesn't stop there. To really keep tabs on workload distribution, you can use the Day Workload view. This tool gives you a bird's eye view of how tasks are spread across your team. You'll see who is working on what, when tasks are due, and the overall capacity of each team member. This feature allows you to adjust assignments as necessary, shifting resources where they're needed the most, which ensures projects stay on track without overburdening anyone. What's great about Teamwork's Workload view is that it's incredibly easy to use. You can access it directly from the dashboard, and it automatically pulls data from your tasks, giving you a real-time snapshot of everyone's workload. If someone's carrying too much weight, you can redistribute tasks with just a few clicks. This helps prevent burnout and ensures that deadlines are met more efficiently. Another useful feature for monitoring workload distribution is the task list view, which allows you to break down the workload into more manageable parts. You can assign tasks based on priority and get an idea of how much time each task will take. This is where you can make decisions based on who has the bandwidth to take on more work or who may need a hand. You can also track progress through the task's completion status, helping you to quickly assess how close a project is to being finished. If you're managing larger projects, you'll love the time tracking feature in Teamwork. This is another great tool for understanding workload distribution. By tracking time, you get deeper insights into how long tasks are taking compared to what was estimated. This data lets you see if certain team members are getting stuck or if the workload is being distributed unevenly. This information is valuable for making adjustments to future projects or allocating resources more effectively in the current one. Also, don't forget about milestones. These are key points in your project that can help you measure progress. You can assign milestones to specific team members and use them to monitor overall workload distribution. If certain milestones are slipping, that can indicate that the workload is not evenly distributed and adjustments are needed. Throughout all of this, Teamwork's reporting. Functionality will be your best friend. With real-time reports, you can analyze how work is being allocated, see which tasks are overdue, and measure your team's productivity. This lets you make data-driven decisions about how to assign work more effectively and identify any potential bottlenecks. Finally, remember that Teamwork also integrates with other tools you might already be using, so you can sync everything in one place and keep a pulse on your team's workload no matter what software you're working with. To sum up, monitoring workload distribution in teamwork.com is seamless and user-friendly. With the workload view, time tracking, and milestones, you get complete visibility into how work is distributed across your team. This lets you ensure tasks are well managed, avoid burnout, and deliver projects on time. And here's the best part. You can use Teamwork completely free with an exclusive extended trial through the link below. No strings attached. Just sign up and you'll have access to these amazing features for longer than usual. Go ahead and try it out today.